Today I'm doing an oil change on my iPOWER SUA 2300i generator. This one's a little unique because it actually doesn't have a drain plug. So you have to, if you look over here, this is where we put the oil in. This is also where you're going to drain it out of, which is why I have a empty container and a funnel. I've run the generator for about 10 minutes to get it up to operating temperature. And I am going to pull that plug, tilt it over, and let it drain into here. All right, so I'm going to attempt to let this drain into the bucket. That oil's pretty nasty. I don't like the idea of draining and filling in the same hole. I really wish it did have a drain plug. So I'm going to let this drain for several minutes here, even though it's going to wear my arms out to do it, and then once I get it drained, I will start the video back up. That was not as bad as I thought it was going to be, other than just holding it there. I do like the idea of having a drain plug rather than the same entrance hole. But the funnel that I used, I'm going to reuse it to fill it again, so I had to clean it up pretty good because I don't want the dirty oil getting back in. So what I'm going to do is, as with most funnels, they don't have a good angle on them, so I'm going to kind of tilt this a little bit as I fill it. And then I'm going to stick my rag down in here to catch any overflow, just in case I overfill it. This one doesn't hold that much, so. I'm gonna keep putting it in, kind of see if I can see where the level's at. So a little bit more we can go. It down where it would normally be, and that's going to be full right there. So I'm going to put the drain plug back in. Wipe this mess up. I'm going to take it outside here and start it, and then we will check the oil level again in just a moment. Okay, so I ran out of gas when I was actually doing it. I was like, what's wrong? Something's wrong. But I just ran out of gas. So got everything checked. Everything's good. And we got the oil change done. So we're ready to roll for the next trip. Remember, doing stuff on your own allows you to be free.